Here. So here's the Trezor, and I am going to open it so I can set it up. And in the box, you can see, there it is. Okay. So this is what it comes here. And you can tell it's sealed. You see that? It's sealed. So I have to like open it. I'm always breaking. Okay. I don't want to break this. Okay. So, so open it. There. This is Trezor. This is Trezor. Trezor. Okay. It's a cold wallet. Okay. It's a cold wallet. You can see the difference between this one, which is the ledger. There. This is Trezor and the ledger, and you can see the difference there. So it comes with this. It comes with, this looks like a key or something. A key, I don't know. Comes with a cable. Let me just put it up there, looking that way. You like the bigger screen on Trezor? Yeah, me too. That's one thing that I was like, you know what? Just on that alone. Okay, so I'm putting it here so you guys can see me. So I got this. Here I think it's the cable. Let's see what is in here. Man, it's so sealed. I can barely open it. Which is good because it means it's new. So we got the cables, stickers. Ooh, my first Bitcoin sticker. Okay, I'm a little kid. I'm sorry, guys. A Trezor sticker. Trezor sticker. And the instructions on, and another sticker. Lots of stickers. Okay. So that's that. And here you can have 1, 2, 3 on what you need to do. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, connect Trezor to your computer on smartphone or smartphone. Open Trezor IO Start if you're in your web browser and follow instructions. So let's do it. Let's do it. And you see, when it comes here, it comes sealed. You see that? I had to take that out. See that? It has a seal. Close it here. This here tells you seal, okay? So I'm gonna take the seal because that's, actually, I don't need to take the seal because I don't need that. I just need to connect it to the side. You connect it to the side. No, it's not there. Actually, I need to take the seal. The seal is where you connect it. This is weird. So I guess it's part of the thing of, you know, checking that it's actually new. Oh my God, this is really stuck. How do I take this out? Sorry, guys. Let me pause here for that because it's like, this is like, so I was able to open that because you need to open that seal to connect the Trezor, and then I'm connecting the Trezor and it's turning on. Okay, turning on. And look at how cool is this. Look, it's already telling me go to Trezor Connect. Look at this, guys. It's telling me go to Trezor Connect. So here this thing appear. It said go to Trezor. So I just need to just boom, click there, and there it is. Congratulations on getting your new Trezor. They make it pretty easy for you to know what you do. Now I'm just gonna get the desktop app. It tells you Mac, OS, Windows. I got Windows. So I'm gonna go with Windows, and then I'm gonna just boom, Open the thing, save it, and run this app. And the app is downloading. Okay. Once it's downloaded, I'm just going to click on it. And I don't even know what this is. What is this thing? Oh, it's another thing, another little cool stuff that came to that. Okay, so then I'm gonna just click on the and there the thing is open. It says, please select whether you wish to make this software available to all users or just yourself. Anyone who uses this computer or only for me. I'm only gonna put it for me, install, and you see what it's doing, and it's saying welcome. Here it says welcome. Now it's saying complete Trezor suite setup.